So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. So after that you can see this is right hand side search button. Just click on that. Then enter the model number of your the motherboard B760 DS3H AC. Then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard. Then click on support. So guys, select your operating system Windows 10 and 11 Windows 10 and 11 operating system installations process same. Select any, so no worry about that. Audio driver. You can see this is audio and this is size, and just click to download. When you click downloading, it will start downloading in the download box. So it is completed. Just single click to open and then double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. You can see this is wait few seconds to complete. After that close automatically means this is installed. So it is close automatically means this is installed.